In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Google storage in Google Workspace. Whether you're monitoring your data usage or planning to make some adjustments, knowing how much storage you have left is essential. Let's walk you through this process step by step so that you can easily access and understand your storage information. First, you'll need to go to Google Workspace. This is your starting point where you can manage all things related to your Google account. Open your preferred web browser and type in Google Workspace in the search bar. Once you're on the Google Workspace page, look for an option to sign in. Here, you will choose the Google account you want to check the storage for. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the right one to avoid any confusion. After selecting your account, you'll be prompted to enter your password. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you might also need to go through the additional security step. Keep your login details handy, as this ensures quick access. Once you've entered your password, click on the next button to proceed. This step confirms your identity and takes you to your account dashboard. Now that you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen. There you'll find a small icon consisting of a grid of square dots. This icon opens the Google Apps menu. Go ahead and click on it. This menu provides quick access to various Google services you use regularly. From this menu, you want to head towards the admin console. You can find this by scrolling, or you might need to type admin in the search bar if you have many apps. Click on the admin console link and this will lead you to the page where you can manage your account settings, including your storage. Once you're in the admin console, you'll find various options. Look for the one labeled storage and click on it. This is where you can view detailed information about your current storage usage. Here you will see a breakdown of the storage used across services like Gmail, Drive and Photos. This insight allows you to understand where most of your storage is being utilized, and it might help you make decisions about cleaning up files or emails you no longer need. And there you have it, you now know how to check your Google storage in Google Workspace. With these simple steps, you can easily keep track of your storage usage and plan accordingly. If you find yourself nearing your storage limit, consider options like upgrading your plan or cleaning out unnecessary data. It's a straightforward process, but one that's good to revisit now and then. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.